Okay, Scott, this is for you. This is a 10K resistor going to pin 1 of the Mega 328. Further down, you got pin 7 is going to the positive rail, pin 8 going to ground. 9 and 10 are a 16 megahertz chip, and they further go with a 22 picofarad capacitor to ground. Okay, and then on the other side you got pin pin 19 is the positive for the indicator LED, and then you put a 220 ohm resistor on the negative. So that was 20 and 21 go to positive rail, 22 goes to the ground, and that makes a standalone Arduino. And this one's already been bootloaded and installed the Blink Sketch, so that's why it does that. And a reset switch is not necessary once you have this programmed, if you're not going to do anything else with it. Also, if you have a FTDI chip or something like that to help it communicate, you will have to add a 0.1 picofarad cap to go in line with pin 1, and that goes to ground, and that will allow it to keep it from resetting until it's necessary. Anyway, that's it.